Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the SodaStream Diet Mountain Dew soda drink mix, and it's a 4-pack of 14.9 fluid ounces and 3 things you need to know about this one. And if you're a Mountain Dew fan like I am, this really made the taste go up a couple of notches. Thing number one, I always leave at least a couple of the SodaStream bottles in the fridge with water in them so that when I get ready to have some Mountain Dew or whatever I'm dispensing with it, that I've got the water pre-chilled. Even though I'm getting the water out of the tap that's on the refrigerator, I want it even a little bit colder. And so that has helped improve the taste. Thing number two, after the Diet Mountain Dew syrup has been added, add some ice cubes, and that will further drop the temperature, and it brings up the taste a little bit more. Now, you can't pour in a whole bunch at once, but if you've got like well, I'll call the half moon size ice cubes, that's the one to do it. Or if your ice machine does the crushed ice, that's another way to do it. Add a little bit of time. The first ice you add, the soda is going to fizz up a little bit, so you may have to put your hand over the top of the bottle. But after that, it's really hadn't been that big of a deal. Thing number three, if you get some sort of aftertaste, or I'm going to use the word whang, it's not bitter, but it's just kind of, something's not right. Try adding a little bit of Splenda to the water, and this is something you will need to do before you carbonate, because once you've carbonated water, it's going to react against the Splenda. But once you've had a bottle that's not really, you're not up to your taste, then once you add the water to the bottle, put some Splenda in it, and then that may just take care of it. Now, I only had to do that with one of the bottles, so I might have just had a bottle that was off a little bit on the mix. So that's something to think of. But these are just some of the tricks you can do to save money with Mountain Dew. I don't drink a lot, but when you look at the stores I go to, they want $4 for a 2-liter bottle. It doesn't take that long for the SodaStream to come out ahead. This also applies to the Mountain Dew Zero. That's the one I've really noticed an aftertaste problem with, but this would equally apply to pretty much any of the soda lines. So take a look at this one, see what you think about it, and tweak with a little bit, and you may find you've got some very good tasting soda anytime that you want to do it.